Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download APK files on your iPhone, guys. This actually works and it's super insane. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I got tons of APKs in my iPhone, guys, because of this method. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super cool and this is a fully working video, guys. So keep watching the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Guys, so as you can see, it says get any APK and you just enter the APK link, press download, and you got it. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this, so let's get right into the video. So the first step is to go to this site called TweakGPT, type in APK, and it will say want to get APK downloader, here's how. Go to hexmods.com. So now we're on the hexmods and we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in APK. And as you can see, guys, it says APK downloader, so just press on that, press the download button and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to try this out for yourself because it's super insane and it fully works. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is super cool and you can get APK files on your iPhone. And there's no APK downloader on the App Store. I will even show you. As you can see, if we type in APK, here it is, no results. We got this browser app which doesn't do it. It's just bad reviews, so none of these work, guys. So the only way to do it is to go onto this Hexmod site. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, and this fully works. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. It's totally updated. And yeah, if you're poor and you can't afford an Android phone, you can just install APKs using this method, which is just super cool, guys. So yeah, peace out. This is awesome. As you can see, it just says like get any APK and enter APK link, then press download and you got it, guys. So be sure to try this out. It's super cool and this is a fully working tutorial for you guys. So if you're broke, this will really help you out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, it's like updated and everything. So yeah, peace out. And this is crazy, bro. It actually works. I mean, I got so many APKs using this method. I'm not trying to be funny here. This is legit. So I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and yes, it's super cool. And it's totally working, my gang.